Hello everybody. The channel in the last year has grown more than it had in the previous 2.5 years. And I guess I have 67 to be thankful for that, because the other stuff I was doing sure wasn't being watched, and I want to thank you all for being interested enough in that car to want to watch this stuff. So last year on Halloween was the first time that you've seen this car, the 67, run. I did a little short Halloween video with the car running. And I was, giving it quite a bit of thinking, quite a bit of thought and everything. And I couldn't come up with anything, really, for a Halloween video for this year. But, happy Halloween and everything. It's, it's the 1-year anniversary of when that car first ran again. So, in place of actually showing anything on the car, because it's raining and stuff, as you can probably tell by the cars going by, I thought I would start on the hood. So, I don't know how much of this I'll do, and I'm sure I'll speed it up and probably have to turn the volume down because it'll be too loud. But I hope you enjoy this, and let me know what you think in the comments. So that's lacquer. Of course it would be. It's got factory paint, and it's got the coat of paint that's over it. There's two layers of lacquer on that hood. But flap wheel's just kind of grinding it. I may end up having to get another flap wheel by the time this is done, because, lacquer tends to melt and stick to your sandpaper. So I thought for this hood that we would do something a little bit out of my normal, because I'm, probably never going to have the chance to do this again with an original hood anyway. And I thought I would show you everything that I'm doing for this hood. So I hope you just like it, and I don't know how long the videos are going to be. I figure 10 minutes each. I may make an entire series of this, but we got to break it up a little bit, because it'd be boring if all I did in a video was grind. But All right, so you know, lacquer tends to melt. It gets on everything. It's really hard to grind. It's really hard to sand. Uh, the easiest way to fix this would actually be to use paint stripper, but I don't like doing that. The longer the video you make, the less people actually see it all. So in this video, I started grinding on the hood, and probably before the end of the next video, it'll be all bare. But I wanted to show you this. I knew this hood has some rust in it, and it's just, it's original hood, so it's going to have some rot. There ain't nothing I can do about that except patch what I know is there. So what I know is here, I'm going to cut out. I'm going to make patches for, and I'm going to weld it back in. And hopefully that'll last a few years, and then I'll have to do it again. But maybe I'd get lucky and some kid would back into me in a parking lot and total the hood. But so spots like this, okay, there's a hole from the inside out, and through here in a couple places there's some swelled up spots with little holes, and right here to here, and then here to here, there's a couple spots that's rusted up. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut out a couple places.